What are you going to do with all these boxes?
Well, you know, Joni, over there in Italy, there was these big stones all over the place. And I thought to myself, well, I don't want to cut them out of foam. Why not cardboard boxes?
Great. People can donate them, and it's no cost to the church.
That's absolutely right. But you don't want to get the same size box. Get all different sizes, because they'll give you different size stones. So we're going to get the volunteers to start taping and start painting.
Easy.
So you can see what we did. They taped the box out, did a great job. But what you want to do is you want to crush in your corners. Take a hammer. Don't use this side of it because you'll punch a hole right through it. Just use the side of it and just kind of lightly tap it.
Oh, that's fun. That's easy.
And that'll loosen it up a little bit for you. And then go ahead and just push it in and you're done.
After you smash the stone corners, some of the tape may have come loose, so make sure to re-tape them before you paint the stones.
Now, I've picked out all the colors that we're going to be using on this set.
Cool.
Now, on this one, what we're going to do is I've made a very light gray. Yep, and all you're going to do is get yourself a little tray, and you're going to just pour it in there. Make sure you put the lids on the paint back on, because I can't tell you how many times I've seen people spill and kick it over, and it makes a big mess. So always put your lids back on. And then another thing, what you want to do is go to your local hardware store and just pick up a couple of small foam rollers. And these things work really great. And just slap it on in there.
The colors we used for the stones can be found at vbsdecoratingplaces.com. Now that our first coat on the stones is dry, we're going to add texture to them. To do this, apply some of the other stone colors with a sponge or brush in random directions and patterns. Then use black, white, and a paintbrush to create chips and divots in the stone. There is no pattern for these. Just have fun and be creative.